say hello to a whole new way of exploring links. In this demo, I'll showcase the interactive links widget, a stylish dynamic way to highlight content and capture attention. Whether you are building a portfolio, product page or gallery, this widget brings your links to action. So let's dive in. Simply go to your WordPress dashboard. Let's go to the plugins. Make sure you have installed the Elementor. Now let's click on the add plugin and search here WDesignKit, and here it is. Simply install and activate. Great. Now your WDesignKit has been activated. Now let's go to the appearance, and here you can see the Next theme. This is an ultra lightweight multi-purpose WordPress theme built with pure vanilla JavaScript. This is my personal recommendation. You can choose any of the theme as per your preference. Now let's go to the WDesignKit, and here you can see the login. If you don't have an account, then simply sign up. You can sign up with your socials or by filling this all details. I have already an account, so let's sign in. Click on the browse widget and search here interactive links, and here it is. This is the free widget. That means it's available in WDesignKit free plan with no need to upgrade with the pro version. Simply click on this download icon. Great, now it's downloaded successfully. You can check it by going to my widgets, and here it is. Now let's go to the page. Here I have already created one design using interactive links. Now let's understand each and every edit option in detail. In the content tab, first is the select. From here you will get two different styles. Select whichever you like most. Then next is bottom underline. If you want to provide underline below your link titles, then simply enable this toggle. Okay. Then next is alignment direction. This is basically vertical alignment of your links. Then next is the items. Here you will find all the options to add the basic details along with the link. So first is the select icon. Let's add one icon. You can see it has been added. From here we can add the title. Then next is the description. So if you want to provide description, then you can give it from here. You can see here it has been added. From here we can add the image. And this is the URL. Let's quickly see the output of this. Great. As you can notice, this is opening in the new window. So if you want to open this in same window, then simply uncheck this checkbox and you will get the option for add no follow and custom attributes as well. For now I'm removing this description, and you will get these all options in each and every item. If you want to add more items, then simply click on this duplicate icon, or you can click on this add item button. Let's add icon in each and every item. Great. Now let's go to the style tab. Here you will get the all styling options to giving an attractive look to your links with this all other details. First is the item gap. From here we can manage the spacing of the link title. Then next is the alignment for the title. This is the padding, the surrounding space. From here we can give the typography. These are the all basic options for the typography. The big advantage is we can give this value for the responsive. That means you can set the different values for the different screen sizes, like different for the tablet and mobile. Then next is the color. We can give the different color for the different state, like normal, hover and active. Let's change. You can see for the hover, and now let's set one in active. Great. This color is basically applies in the mobile devices. This is give separately because when you are shifting on the mobile devices, then your link titles are coming over the image. So in some of the cases, it could be happen that the color which you have provided in the desktop that will be not readable after coming over the image. So for preventing this readability issue and matching the text color contrast with image, this option will be very useful in the mobile. So we can add the different color for the mobile from here. Currently it's not needed. Okay. Great. Then next is the background type. We can give the background color. We can apply gradient as well. Even if you want to provide the background image, then you can provide it from here. These are the all basic options for setting the background position. For now, it's not looking good, so I'm removing. Then next is the border radius. From here, we can provide the border radius. Now currently you can see here, our link title is touching to the edges after giving the background. So here, padding will be helpful. Let's give the surrounding space. Great. Now you can see here your title is having breathing space and it's looking good. This is the icon size. As we seen above, there are the three different states: normal, hover and active. Let's apply the same as the title color. Great. Now you can see here your icon color is completely matched with your link title color for the three different states. If you have uploaded the SVG, then you can set the size from here, and the same way you will get the color option as well. As we have seen above typography and color options here, the same way for the description. Then from here we can set the image width, and this is the height. From here we can provide the border radius. Great. That's it. So this is the interactive links. WDesignKit is the big library of creative design templates and widgets. Even you can create your own widget as well. It's supporting 3 widget builders: Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks. Not only that, if you have created your widget in the Elementor widget builder and now if you want to convert in Gutenberg or Bricks, then you can convert with the single click. It's providing ready widget library as well. Also, it's providing the cloud workspace where you can collaborate with your team and clients, store templates and widgets. And in the future, you will get the feature of store code snippet as well. So explore the all amazing features and their advantages. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for amazing videos. And always stay creative and awesome.